Pangasinan is a province in the Philippines situated in the Ilocos region or Region 1, occupying the northwestern section of Luzon. Its capital is the municipality of Lingayen. It is composed of 4 cities, 44 municipalities, and 1,364 barangays. Pangasinan is bordered clockwise from the north by the Lingayen Gulf, La Union, Benguet, Nueva Vizcaya, Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Zambales, and the South China Sea. The following are the 44 municipalities and 4 cities comprising the province of Pangasinan. We have the municipality of Agno, which has 17 barangays, the municipality of Aguilar with 16 barangays, the city of Alaminos with 39 barangays, the municipality of Alcala with 21 barangays, the municipality of Anda with 18 barangays, the municipality of Asingan with 21 barangays, the municipality of Balungaw with 20 barangays, the municipality of Bani with 27 barangays, the municipality of Basista with 13 barangays, the municipality of Bautista with 18 barangays, the municipality of Bayambang with 77 barangays, the municipality of Binalonan with 24 barangays, the municipality of Binmalay with 33 barangays, the municipality of Bolinao with 30 barangays, the municipality of Bugalion with 24 barangays, the municipality of Burgos with 14 barangays, the municipality of Calasiao with 24 barangays, the city of Dagupan with 31 barangays, the municipality of Dasol with 18 barangays, the municipality of Infanta with 13 barangays, the municipality of Labrador with 10 barangays, the municipality of Lawak with 22 barangays, the municipality of Lingayen, which also serves as the provincial capital or the provincial center with 32 barangays, the municipality of Mabini with 16 barangays, the municipality of Malasiki with 73 barangays, the municipality of Manawag with 26 barangays, the municipality of Mangaldan with 30 barangays, the municipality of Mangatarem with 82 barangays, the municipality of Mapandan with 15 barangays, the municipality of Natividad with 18 barangays, the municipality of Puzo Rubio with 34 barangays, the municipality of Rosales with 37 barangays, the city of San Carlos with 86 barangays, the municipality of San Fabian with 34 barangays, the municipality of San Jacinto with 19 barangays, the municipality of San Manuel with 14 barangays, the municipality of San Nicolas with 33 barangays, the municipality of San Quintin with 21 barangays, the municipality of Santa Barbara with 29 barangays, the municipality of Santa Maria with 23 barangays, the municipality of Santo Tomas with 10 barangays, the municipality of Sison with 28 barangays, the municipality of Sual with 19 barangays, the municipality of Tayog with 21 barangays, the municipality of Omingan with 58 barangays, the municipality of Orbistondo with 21 barangays, the city of Urdaneta with 34 barangays, and the municipality of Villasis with 21 barangays. And that is all about the 4 cities, 44 municipalities, and 1,364 barangays in the province of Pangasinan. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.